Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best door alarms you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many door alarms and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each door alarms so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a door alarm. First, check the type of alarm that suits your needs, such as magnetic contact alarms or motion-based alarms. Next, look at the ease of installation, especially if you prefer a simple setup without professional help. Consider the power source. Some alarms use batteries while others plug into outlets. Sound level is another factor. Louder alarms are better for alerting quickly. Also, check for smart features like mobile alerts or integration with home systems if you want advanced control. Durability and build quality matter too, ensuring the alarm lasts longer and works reliably. Finally, compare prices and customer reviews to find the best value for your budget. A good door alarm provides both safety and convenience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos.